Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 from Windows 11. First we need a Windows 10 image. If you don't have already downloaded Windows 10 image, then follow this step to download Windows 10. Open one browser, search for refuse.ie. We need one software. It is Refuse. Scroll down. Here we have different version of Refuse. Download the standard one. It is 4.7.exe. I have already downloaded Refuse. When you download Refuse, open Refuse. Yes. Guys, if you want to use a free YouTube title generator, then come to analyzewith.com, come to Tools, Title Generator, then click on Generate Titles. First time when you open Refuse, this button is not available here, this drop down. After a few seconds, this drop down will available. Click in this drop down, select download, click on download. It will take a few moments. Now this page will appear with Windows 11 ISO, but we can select Windows 10 also and also UEFI shell. We need to download Windows 10. Select Windows 10, then continue. It is 22H2 V1. It is for 2023. Okay, continue. Again, continue. Select your language. I want to select English International. Then continue. In this step, select Windows architecture. You can select x64 and also x32. I want to select x64. Download. Select your location. Where do you want to store this image? I want to download on desktop. Save. When the process finished, click on close. When you download Windows 10, right click on Windows 10, click on mount. Here double click on setup, click on yes. Install Windows 10. Next. Getting update, checking for update. Look, I don't have internet. It will get all the update from ISO, applicable and lessons. Accept. Here you have three options: keep personal files and apps. Keep personal files only, nothing. You can select anyone you want. I select nothing. Everything will delete it. Okay, next. Please wait. Make sure you are ready to install. Yes. This step will take some time. Here also you can change the setting. If you click here, again this step will repeat. Next. Install. Installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. United States, okay. Yes. Keyboard layout is US, okay. Escape. I don't have internet. Continue with limit step. Username, password, confirm password. Answer these three questions. accept, accept. Now it is successfully installed. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.